is Eyewitness News, now at 4.
Now to the heartbreaking case of Anthony Avalos, the 10-year-old Lancaster boy abused, tortured, and murdered. His own mother and her boyfriend, now indicted, will stand trial. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is live at the courthouse in downtown LA with more. Carlos?
Well, this is a grand jury indictment now, and it brings charges of murder, torture, and child abuse involving 2 other children who they say were in the house at the time of these incidents. Now, prosecutors allege that Anthony Avalos was tortured in the days leading up to his death. The family of Anthony Avalos says it's a big step for justice after a grand jury indictment.
Today's his favorite day, Halloween. He should be celebrating at school.
The 10-year-old boy died in June. Prosecutors allege he was tortured before his death. The mother, Heather Barron, and her boyfriend, Kareem Leyva, were in court today and now face charges that could lead to the death penalty.
They took in a lot of evidence, and they had the community members hear this evidence. And to get a grand jury indictment is powerful in this case.
The defense attorney says by going to a grand jury, the indictment allows the case to skip a preliminary hearing and move more quickly to trial.
Having the witnesses and the children and other people that have information testifying in front of a grand jury would probably be an easier route for the DA than perhaps having to call those people in a courtroom.
This case comes after the death of Gabriel Fernandez, who was also abused by his mother and her boyfriend in Palmdale. In both cases, the Department of Children and Family Services was involved, and there are questions over how the agency missed signs of abuse.
Holding the LA County DCFS responsible for the murder and the torture of Anthony and these other kids as well. And we are still on a quest to accomplish that.
Avalos' aunt and uncle were in tears today. They say they want justice.
Anthony was so amazing, and I know he's looking down on us right now and smiling because he knows that justice is coming.
As long as they're behind bars or death, it doesn't matter. I just don't want to see them free again.
And a pretrial hearing for Anthony Avalos' mother and her boyfriend is now scheduled for December 3rd. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Carlos, thank you.